One vertical blind bracket came down, and the thing is you got to put these on from the back first, otherwise this steel will break. This one seems a little weak, so I don't know, it might be why it came off. But flipping it on from the back to the front, yeah, it's weak. It broke already. Probably what happened is someone tried to clip it just from the front. So, yeah, I had a few of these the other day. I don't think I have any more with me now. No, I don't. Sometimes one of them can have an extra one. These ones are much shorter. That one's a bit longer. And sometimes you can find an extra one. Or take one from these ones. So I'm going to get another one, but I just want to show you that if you unclip it from the front like that, and then now I'm going to turn it out. So I'll get another one, a new one for that, but show you this here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here and rotate it in. So rotated that in. So I can find a better angle to show you. Rotating it in. Okay. And we're going to go from the back first, and then it won't break. That's that. Oh. Just showing you. I just couldn't use a little something else right there. Replacement. Well, actually, that's just a little. It's like drywall. It's not a quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.